Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to conquer Lion Rock and Amah Rock, and we start at the Shatin Pass. Behind me is the trailhead. It's very close to the Jong temple. The first part is all about steps and more steps. There is an advantage to it. There's no scramble, so it's very accessible for a lot of people. And slowly but steadily we're working up a nice little sweat on the stairs. So this is the route where we came from. There's another option, following the Shatin Path, basically just following the Meklos stage 5 route. And as you can see, we're almost at the top of Lion Rock, and then we'll continue our adventure. After all those steps, we are rewarded with a little flat area. Follow me. We made it to the top, we made it to the tail of the lion. Let's fly the drone here and see how it looks from a distance. Lion Rock isn't just a hike, it's a symbol of Hong Kong's identity, featured in the iconic TV drama Below the Lion Rock. This peak represents the city's hard-working spirit and resilience. My journey from the tail to the head is just a few hundred meters, but it's a walk through the same stories that have shaped Hong Kong. From the top, you see the city's skyline, a mix of history and progress. For many, Lion Rock isn't just a mountain. It is a reminder of what Hong Kong stands for. We spent some time here at the top of Lion Rock, did some flying, got a little bit of a sunburn or a tan at least, and the next adventure is Amah Rock. To get to the Amah Rock, you follow the Kowloon Pass first. So when you come to this pavilion, you need to take a little turn if you want to go to Amah Rock. I'm going to show you where you actually need to go. So here you can see the sign, and you just follow the sign. After the pavilion, you need to be sure you keep the path on your right hand. There's not a lot of climbing anymore, so that makes me really happy. We made it to Amah Rock. Yes, let's explore this little rock. This shows what it is supposed to be. So it looks like a mom carrying a baby on her back. Yeah, I can see that. We did both Lion Rock and Amah Rock today. It's a beautiful combination of two geological marvels of wonders. It is easy to make a mistake on a hike. We actually needed to take this road. We followed the big paved path, but we actually needed to go all the way down. At the Hang Mui Kok barbecue area, we conclude our hike. This is also a very nice starting point if you want to do the same thing, but the other way around. But for now, we wrap it up and we're going to have a nice little burger.